Welcome to Ghost Gear Garage. Today we're stepping back into the golden age of luxury to explore the legendary Duesenberg Model J, one of the most prestigious American automobiles ever built. The story begins with brothers Fred and August Duesenberg, brilliant engineers who founded the Duesenberg Company and became famous for creating high-performance racing engines and luxury automobiles. Introduced in 1928, the Model J was designed to be the finest car in the world. Under its long hood sat a massive 6.9-liter straight-eight engine, producing an incredible 265 horsepower, a remarkable figure for its time. The supercharged SJ version pushed performance even further, making it one of the fastest luxury cars of the era. But the Model J was more than just speed. Every car was handcrafted and customized to its owner's wishes. The luxurious interiors featured premium leather, polished wood, elegant gauges, and unmatched attention to detail. Inside the Duesenberg Factory in Indianapolis, Indiana, skilled craftsmen carefully assembled each chassis, engine, and body component. Every vehicle was a unique masterpiece, built with precision and pride. Despite its excellence, the Great Depression dramatically reduced demand for ultra-luxury automobiles. Between 1928 and 1937, only 481 Model J chassis were produced, making these cars incredibly rare today. Nearly a century later, the Duesenberg Model J remains a symbol of American innovation, craftsmanship, and luxury. It continues to captivate collectors and automotive enthusiasts around the world. The Duesenberg Model J was introduced in 1928 by Arat Cord, who aimed to create the world's finest car. It was built in Indianapolis, Indiana, and produced between 1928 and 1937, with just 481 units in total, 445 standard and 36 supercharged. Each car was hand-built, with a powerful 420 cubic inch straight-eight engine. Despite its ambition, the Great Depression halted production, and the company went bankrupt in 1937. Duesenberg closed in 1937 due to a combination of factors: the economic crash of 1929, a luxury market collapse, and financial troubles within its parent company, led by Arat Cord. Only 481 Model J chassis were made in total, and after production ended, the last car was assembled from leftover parts by 1940. The Duesenberg Model J was powered by a remarkable 420 cubic inch straight-eight engine with dual overhead cams and 4 valves per cylinder, producing about 265 horsepower. And the supercharged version reached around 320 horsepower. Inside, each car was a bespoke luxury, featuring high-grade leather, wood inlays, and elegant metal dashboards. The bodywork was done by custom coach builders, creating one-of-a-kind designs with long hoods, bold grilles, and unique wheelbases. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ghost Gear Garage, for daily content. See you in the next video.